Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I am going to start my savings challenges and my cash stuffing the first week in February, which will be tomorrow, starting from tomorrow. So I'll get that done. But in the meantime, I wanted to just pop on and show you my sinking funds lineup, and also I've got one savings challenge that I'd like to catch up on for January. £140 I have here. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. My sinking funds lineup is 6 categories. Archie, which is his medication, his worming and his fleas for the year, and that's £160, so I'd like to get that in the envelope. Well-being, which is sort of like maybe my vitamins and just bits and pieces for myself. My hair category as well, I've got labour, any little bits and pieces that needs doing around the house. Hobbies, which will be budgeting, accessories, and also my arts and crafts accessories. I'm really trying to be on a no spend. I really am, and I'm really trying to just buy what I really need. So let me just get this glare out of the way for a minute. I'm really trying not to buy, only if it's necessary. So hobbies, maybe budgeting accessories such as savings challenges if I need to buy the digital printables and stuff. But I'm staying away from arts and crafts, hobbies. Maybe now and again some stickers, or if I really need something. But anyway, and the 6th category is going out. I'm starting with £100 for my sinking funds, and the £40 will be going over to the monthly savings challenges that I've got, and I'll show you that as I go along. But let me just get a dice, and let me start with a red one. So that's 4. So we've got labour, okay, and we'll do £5 for labour. It'd be easier if I took this out and put it here, I think. Yeah, that's it. So next time I know how to set up things. 3, so we've got for hair. We'll do a £5 for hair. Oopsie daisies. Okay, and I'm trying to get £360 in for hair. That will be for this year, so I'm trying to do that. All right, let's go again. 3 again, that's hair, yes. Okay, good. 2 is well-being. Just like before, if one envelope is going better than the other one and I need it, then I will juggle, I'll share amongst the other envelopes. And for well-being, I'm trying to get to £100. 4 is labour. We're doing well with labour. Okay. 2, well-being. All right. So we just need to take £40 out, so I know what I'm doing. one Archie at long last, because I really do need to get his money for his medication. His yearly injections and stuff, that's all sorted out with his lifetime insurance. Oh, Archie again, good. So I don't need to worry myself about that. 5, we've got hobbies. Hobbies, I've put in £100 in for hobbies. 4, we've got labour. That's good. 4 again for labour. Yeah. Okay. We've got 6 for going out. Going out. All right. Let's change up some of this money now. Labour got quite a bit. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. 5, we've got hobbies. 5 again. Wow. Hobbies. Okay. Again. Wow. That's amazing. Let's see if we got 20 in there to change it up. 10, 15, 20. And let's put that in there. Come on now. We've got a... Who hasn't got any so far? Did everyone get? Everyone's got. Oh, good, good, good. 1 Archie. 4 labour. Labour's doing really well. 3, we've got hair. 4, we've got labour. Labour is definitely doing really well. In all fairness though, I really want to paint my toilet. So if I accumulate enough money, then I can buy the paints and, you know, the supplies. 6, that's going out. And I still have to pop into the shed and take out all the stuff that I may have, like the paintbrushes and stuff like that, and masking tape and all sorts and bits and pieces, before I start to be buying any for the job. But I will be doing that myself. And also I want to paint my bathroom skirting board as well. And I will just see how much we've got here. So in Archie, got 5, 10, 15. So let's put 15 in. 15, and the amount is 15, and today is the 31st or the 1st, 25. That's £10. Next time I will put the date already, and it's £10 and £10. Okay, for well-being. That's the only way I'm going to keep abreast of everything, if I write it down. Silly me, closed up everything. Right, so for hair I've got 15. 15 and 15. Also, I've got for labour 10, 20, 25, 30 pounds. That's 30 pounds. Great. And hobbies, I've got 20. Should put the money behind, shouldn't I? I'll do the rest of them later. And going out, what have we got? I think we've got £10 for going out. 10. Great. I really should put plus, shouldn't I? Plus. I'll sort it all out in a little while. Right, so now what I want to do is show you what I've got. I have got this savings challenge. I should really put this in its own binder with the 52 week. I'll see how that goes. Right, so what I have got, I've got all these ones are from Cute Budget and from Frugality is Life. But what I want to do, I downloaded these ones are freebies, but I bought these challenges last year from Cute Budget's coffee shop and Frugality is Live from her Etsy shop. But I was having a look to see what other savings challenges Cute Budget had, and I came across these monthly ones. I love the monthly ones, and these ones are only £40 for the month. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and I really liked that, so I decided to download them and print them out. But I downloaded them on my phone and printed them out from my phone to my printer. Now I don't know if I used my laptop or my desktop, would they have come out any bigger, but I don't mind. They're so super cute, aren't they? And I'm going to put £40 in for January, now that January has, well, it's coming to an end today. So that is that. I'm gonna get another, I think I need to get another, did I close that up? I think I need to get another smaller envelope and put this in another category for weekly. So I'll just put completed there. Let me just strike them off so I know. Hope this video wasn't too long. I'll just edit it right down as short as possible. All right, I just feel like I haven't done this in such a long time, so I'm just kind of warming back up to everything. So January is done, and I'm thinking of getting a Save 2025 in 2025, but I have to see on my budget. I have to see what's going on. Anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.